That's it, shut your truck off.
Well, don't worry, I'm gonna do something.
It's so hard.
There's two.
Oh!
That one's embarrassing.
That one was, but you're flat.
Alright, where are we going? Straight?
Nice and easy. Oh, that one's no good.
That was a nice smooth one too. That wasn't even a hard stallman.
That wasn't even up. You're going straight.
Alright.
You got one rock that you're going to be going down because you're going over the two rocks together. Easy. Okay, bring it this way a bit. Nice and straight. Nice and easy. I figure let's see if you can get on your clutch. Bring it this way.